Want to spy on Amazon sales like a pro? Helium 10's Xray tool is your secret weapon. So it literally shows me all of the data of the Amazon competitors, how much money they're making per month on Amazon. So if we literally are just looking up multivitamins on Amazon, I can use this extension to see how much they're making per month just by running this extension right here. Not only that, I can also see Walmart sales per month. So if I'm trying to sell a Pokemon plush, all I have to do is just click right here, and then they have Xray Walmart product research, and it's one of the only research tools that actually shows you how much money people are making on Walmart as well. This is just a great tool. If it works for Amazon, Walmart, soon it's going to also be working for TikTok and all these other platforms. But you can see this one right here is making $20,000 a month on Walmart, right? We've got some different types of sales, $600 a month, Bulbasaur, right? So you can see, hey, maybe Walmart's not the best, but you can see if it's making money. Now to access this tool, just go to Helium 10, and then you can click sign up for a free trial. There's also a link in the description to get a discount, or just sign up there. And then once you sign up for free, then you can just Google Helium 10 Chrome extension, and then you're going to see the first one, and then you're going to download it, and then you use that login that you logged in with here to log in and then access Xray. And Xray is just a little bit of a Chrome extension, right? It looks like this, and then you can utilize it for Amazon and go through the amount of sales. Now, if we're going through this in depth on Amazon, it's going to show if it's sponsored, right? It's going to show different details, the ASIN, the brand, the price, recent purchases, parent level sales, ASIN sales, right? And then revenue, title, character count. It's got a lot of different data. So much data. You can also export it. But again, the biggest thing is it literally just shows you how much monthly sales they're getting, and then you can filter it by ASIN. Also, the seller's country. So AMZ means Amazon selling it directly. US means it's a US seller. And then CH obviously means it's going to be China that's selling the product. And we've got the different types of dimensions. It's got so much information on here, and you can customize it. You can also find suppliers on Alibaba. So if we click on this, it's going to help us find different suppliers for these items on Alibaba extremely quickly, which might not be the best for vitamins because they might have not had certifications, but they could as well. So you could double check it. Related keywords. So you can find different related keywords related to multivitamin, like multivitamin for men or multivitamin for women, and then double down on those categories, do more product research. So this is a great way to see who's standing out, who's making a lot of money, and what niches that you want to double down on, or what competitors do you want to review and make sure you're utilizing the same keywords they have to improve your listing. This video is mainly about Amazon, but I'm just going to briefly show you that if what it shows for Walmart is it shows different areas as well. So the UPC code, the price, the ratings, the review count, the images, Walmart sales per month, Walmart revenue. And if it's also on Amazon, and it is on Amazon, so it shows you that it is somebody selling this on Amazon as well, and the Amazon price. This is great to see. So you can see this Charizard isn't on Amazon, so maybe you could double down and resell this on Amazon since it's only on Walmart, right? So another great product research tool. Also, if you're already selling on Amazon and you're just completely stuck, you need to increase your sales, you can just go into our description, click our website. We're giving a free listing audit. We'll do a whole free audit, and this is pretty much what we're doing. We're going to be looking at your listing, look at all your top competitors, how much money they're making, improvements to your listing. So what we can do to improve your listing, or what you could do to improve your listing. So it's a win-win that's only going to help you and not hurt. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Helium 10 videos, tell me what to cover next in the videos in the comments, and I'll create another video for you regarding Helium 10 or Amazon. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel, because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, one of our most popular services is our full Amazon account management service. This is where we're going to help you find products, manage your inventory, run your ads, remove counterfeits, do your design, listing optimization, and most importantly, help you grow your sales. If you need help with any of that, just contact us. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.